Are you searching for the best smart wall switch? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best smart wall switch in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart On-Off Light Switch, Voice Control. Connect the switch with Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo, Tap, or Google Assistant for voice control, app remote control. Download Smart Life or Tuya app on your smartphone to control the wall switch wirelessly with Wi-Fi or 4G network. No hub is required. Share device. The smart light switch can have several control sites shared by different family members. One mobile phone can control many switches also. 2/3 ways control. 2/3 switches control one light. Customize your scene. One key control for multiple switches to save time. The remote wall switch's LED backlight lets users easily find and turn on the lights at night. Enjoy your smart life. Quick response, smartphone app control, timing function, whole house smart, voice control, scene mode, Tuya Smart Life app, 2/3 ways control.